Help Center Tutorials. How to perform a session closure. To close a cash session, start by pressing Session Closure in the Drawer section of the menu. If the mandatory inventory option is enabled on your account, you will be asked to choose between X report or X of the day, that materializes the end of the current user's responsibility on cash receipts, leaving room for another user to open a new session under his responsibility. Or End of Day or Z of the day, that designates the end of the last session of the day. Note that the session closure is the receipt that summarizes the sales made during a session or a given period. Once your choice has been made, from the green screen that will be displayed, press the button Cash Register Closure. Then enter your receipts for the session or the day, in cash, by check or by EFT on your closing screen. Note that the numeric keypad displayed on the right side of your closing screen allows you to enter the number of bills or coins, or the amount of checks and card transactions. Example: for 2 bills of $50, enter 2 on the numeric keypad and then choose $50 from the bills offered on the left side of the screen. For a card payment of $1,200, enter $1,200 on the numeric keypad, then choose EFT on the left side of the screen. Once you have finished recording the cash receipts for the session, press Enter to enter the amount of the cash you will leave in the drawer at the end of the session, and then press OK.